just how dearly I would love to. But it's true, I'm a bird who seems to lack the knack. I'm just different from the rest, and who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? But different isn't naughty, different isn't sad, so why should being different make me sad? I'm just different. They're like bees from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. But difference isn't scary. Difference is no threat. And though I'm still their brother, they forget I didn't choose to love this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like these grubby feathers, and I hate my stubby beak. There's a rat in every litter, one black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you somehow, your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My looks may well be funny, but I hurt the same inside. Different isn't spiteful, different isn't wrong, so why is it so hard to get along? I only want to get along. Differences could be swell. Different is just, well, different.
Hello, Jackie.
Who are you?
I'm your friend.
I have no friends. Everybody hates me because I'm ugly.
Oh, they are too cruel. I'm delicious.
What did you say?
I said poultry can be so delicious. Look at them guzzling all that breath.
It's supposed to be really good. It's French.
I'm wrong. Do you mean to say they didn't let you have it?
Not a crumb.
Well, that settles it then. Lunch is in on me.
You really mean it? You really are a friend.
Of course I am. Now, just follow me.
Wait. I'd better tell my mother.
No, you mustn't. Look, she's talking to the Grace. Don't you know that you should never trust anyone who's talking to the Grace?
I really think I should.
What a feast!
Mama?
Yes. Excuse me, Your Grace. You don't stand on Donnie's foot. She keeps going around in circles.
Mama, I've been invited to...
Just a second, sweetheart. Billy, not such big mouthfuls. It's soak it in water first, or you'll choke.
Would it be okay if I...
I'm sure. Love, I hope you're not just picking up the raisins.
Listen, we won't be gone for long, and what harm can it do? And you're hungry, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Well, that makes two of us. Come along.
Well, if you're sure...
Oh, I'm sure.
Drake, that's enough!
Calm down, love. It's alright. He can't come that far.
He was trying to ask me something.
He probably just went down to the lake to go for a swim then. You know how he loves swimming.
Not without asking me, he wouldn't. Where is he?
Oh, for goodness sake. Okay, Turkey, you go down by the milking shed, look for him there. Maureen, Henrietta, you go down to the hen house. Ida will take the kids, look for him down by the lake.
And I'll coordinate operations from the grain store.
Ugly!
Have you seen him?
Welcome to the Kitty Cat Snack Shack. Fast food for famished felines.
Deep place you have here.
A little bijou, perhaps, but I call it home. Now, let's casserole of duck, duck chestnuts, duck pineapple, duck pate, duck pancakes with frog sauce. Ah, here we are. Duck à l'orange.
What are we having?
I'm having for lunch.
No, I know that. I mean, what are we having to eat?
Oh, I'll whip up something. A surprise.
You know, my mother must have been talking about someone else. She told me to beware of the cat.
Bless her. Mothers are all the same. For some reason, they think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. Not my mother, though. Oh, no, she was different. Do you know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all flowers from a freshly planted bed. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. What I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me
like to paddle in the puddles, dabble in the mud, tickle backs in the shallows. And maybe if there's time, go sliding in the slime with a waves full by marshmallows. I'd like to slay a dragonfly, watch water pump and race. To say the cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
Rather plaguing and sharp and witty, and prefer with something in my kitty. You can't blame your food before you nibble. You can guess or join the gorgeous lies. You can play with your food, but don't quibble. Play the steak back. You can play with your food before you vomit. You can guess or kneel before you lunch. You can play with your food and vomit. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
We could go rushes, dashing down a ditch, find a kind of place where it's foggy. Then make a little camp that is secretive and damp for me, it might make them foggy. And if the other ducklings want to come and join our games, they have to make a promise for us to stop calling me names.
I'll help you forget the way they scolded. Just as soon as I've got my napkin folded. Oh, you want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can sip your chat before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. Toy with your tongue before the ride. It's a crazy little game. Do you like oranges?
I don't know. I've never had one.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
What's that noise?
Salivating.
It's coming from outside.
Oh, that. That's just those wretched children from the farm playing ball. Do they want to play with me? Do they want to ring around my Rosie? You know, I suppose they don't even remember they have to. You know, some people just shouldn't keep animals, and 8 out of 10 cats that express their preference would agree.
What are people?
What are people? Oh, you don't want to get mixed up with them. Bad news. That's what people are. Consider yourself lucky, Duck, that I'm sparing you from ever having to encounter them.
Oh no, they're coming in. That's a great idea. You hide in there until they're gone. I'll try and find my way back to the junkyard. I hope we can have dinner some other time. Thank you. Now was it turned right at the cowshed and left at the hen house? Or no, there was a pig's shop. That's right. I remember the smell. And there was a water god then. He wouldn't let me swim in. No, I think he was left at the hen house. I'd like to have fun, take us to the back from the shallows. Oh dear, I think I'm lost.
Lost with the cat. Ida, ducklings don't get lost with cats. You know that. We don't know for sure.
Did the cat really eat him, Mama? That's gross. Yeah, it's eating something as ugly as that.
That's enough of that. I don't want to hear another quack. He will be back by tomorrow. And once he gets here, you are going to be nice to him. Now off to roost. On their wing descends the fall. It seems so strangely quiet. The rumor is the cat does have overfeeding his I don't mean to be rude, Ida, but the description. The donkey said he saw the cat walking away with well, who else around here looks like that? I don't believe it. He is a tough little duck, and I'm sure he can outsmart that mangy old Tom. Of course he could. No, he's out there somewhere, probably on his way home right now. And if he isn't, I'll just have to go find him myself, won't I?
Back, everybody back, please.
And rolling. So tell me, Ida, it has been a week now since your son has gone missing. How are you bearing up? Can you shed a tear for the camera? What?
Oh, good, they've arrived. Now, leave this to me, love. Now, which do you think is my best side?
Drake, what is this?
reaction shots, confusion, anguish, matrimonial disquiet. I love it.
This, dear, is Jay Bird from America's Most Feathered. They're doing a feature, so get us one-on-one intelligence. Oh, here is the picture you asked for. It's a bit torn, I'm afraid. Of course, we are still in a very deep
So tell me,
state.
Ida, there have been rumors of farmyard bullying. Do you believe your son was abducted? Or do you believe he ran away to escape his persecutors?
What are you saying?
Oh, good, good. Defensive yet emotional. I'll buy it.
Why can't you just leave us alone?
Nice, very nice. Feisty selves.
What about me? Does no one care what I think?
Sorry, sir. Coming to the end of transmission. I'll leave the final word with Ida, so the sun is out there watching. But for now, this is Jaybird from America's Most Feathered, saying that if you see anything suspicious, from peeping magpies to lost ducklings, the chicks on the switchboard are ready to take your call. All right. Ida, take it.
Oh, and don't start blubbing, for goodness sake.
Every time I turn around, I expect you to appear. And everyone, they call my name, but it's your voice that I hear. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. Get away. Get away, all of you. Every day seems to be more empty than the last. Everywhere the sun once shone, a shadow has been cast. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away.
But Ida, you cannot just leave me with the other four.
You'll manage, Drake. My mind is made up.
But you're wasting your time, love. You know you are. Not to mention that it's dangerous to go out past the churchyard at this time of year.
I won't be satisfied till I find the truth. Try to understand, dear. A mother knows.
Here, you'd better take yourself out.